Benefits of maca root with source. Benefits: increasing libido, reducing erectile dysfunction, boosting energy and endurance, increasing fertility, improving mood, reducing blood pressure, reducing sun damage, fighting free radicals, reducing menopause symptoms, improving learning and memory. Navitas Organics Organic Maca Powder Review. Description: Superfood, premium nutrient, dense essentials. 20 calories, plant amino acids, low temp, dried, per 5 grams serving. Plant-based superfood. Supports energy and vitality. Malty, nutty superroot. Promotes balance in the body. USDA Organic. Non-GMO Project Verified. Ancient Treasure. Certified B Corporation. Kosher. Vegan. BPA free. Suggested use: 1 serving per day. Stir into yogurt. Blend into smoothies. Pair with cacao. Other ingredients: certified organic maca powder, Lepidium myanae, Walpers. Warnings: this product contains a chemical known to the state of California to cause birth defects or other reproductive harm. Storage information: refrigeration not required. Store in a cool, dark, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.